In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your text in Photoshop without using the character toolbar. This is a quick and beginner-friendly method that can help you work faster, especially when you're dealing with simple text designs or multiple text layers. Instead of opening extra panels, you'll use a simple keyboard shortcut to apply color directly to your text layer. To begin, select the Type tool and create your text. If your goal is to give different words different colors without using the character panel, the easiest approach is to place each word on its own separate text layer. For example, you might put one word on one layer and the next word on another layer. This setup gives you much better control because each word can be edited and colored individually without affecting the others. Once your text layers are ready, go to the Layers panel and select the first text layer you want to color. After that, choose any color you like from the color picker. For example, you could use green for the first word and red for the second. The important thing here is to make sure the color you choose becomes your active foreground color before applying it. Now, with the correct text layer selected, use the shortcut Alt plus Backspace on Windows or Option plus Delete on Mac. This instantly fills the text on that active layer with your current foreground color. It's a very fast shortcut, and once you get used to it, it can save you a lot of time. If you want to apply your background color instead of your foreground color, use Ctrl plus Backspace on Windows or Command plus Delete on Mac. That gives you a second quick way to color text, depending on which color swatch you want to use. Next, switch to your other text layer. If needed, choose a different color from the color picker, then use the same shortcut again to apply that new color to the second word. Repeat this process for any additional text layers you've created. This method is especially useful when you want clean, separate colors for individual words and don't want to rely on the character toolbar. It keeps the process simple, fast, and easy to manage. Once you're done, your text should display clear, separate colors for each word. Great job following along. Small Photoshop shortcuts like this can make a big difference in your workflow and help you edit more efficiently.